In this FieldWise tutorial, we will explain how to troubleshoot Endgun issues. In the status area, you can see that the Endgun is on or off and what type of mode it is in. In the details area are different properties for the Endgun. Again, you can see the mode that the Endgun is in, the state of the Endgun relay, and the Endgun monitor. When the Endgun relay is on, the Endgun monitor should verify that there is power on the Endgun circuit. In most cases, the FieldWise device will not output power to the Endgun if the device is not running wet. If the pivot is not showing that it is running wet, then the pressure device may need to be inspected. The pressure switch or transducer may be set too high, or the blue tubing could be damaged from the pivot to the pressure device in the FieldWise enclosure. If using a pressure transducer, the reported value can be seen on the PSI line under the details. The transducer thresholds can be changed in device settings. Under Endgun and control settings, a parameter can be changed to operate the Endgun when it is running wet or running, regardless of pressure. Be careful changing this setting, as this will output power on the Endgun circuit regardless of pressure and can cause damage to your booster pump running it without water. In the Endgun settings menu, verify that the pivot is in a zone that the Endgun should be on. Once the pivot is showing in a wet state, the Endgun relay should be on and the monitor should be on, indicating voltage is present on the Endgun circuit. An easy way to remember this is power on, Endgun on. If the Endgun is still not operating, then it is most likely a mechanical issue with the booster pump or Endgun shutoff valve. The same is true if the Endgun is still operating and it should be off. The Endgun relay and the monitor should be off. If these are both true, then there is likely a problem with the Endgun shutoff valve. With a Z5, the Endgun and auxiliaries will only operate if the Z5 is running wet and the pump is on. The pressure device should be inspected or adjusted the same as before. If a well is powered by a motor, the Z5 may have pressure, but the pump was never turned on. Send a wet command to turn the pump on. If the pump is not on and the pivot loses pressure, the Z5 will not stop the pivot. This concludes our tutorial. Thanks for watching.